Welcome to the virtual tour of our brand new Hidalgo County Public Health Facility. We are thrilled to take you behind the scenes of our state-of-the-art complex. We extend our gratitude to the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development for their invaluable support in making this facility possible. At the nurses' station, preparations for seeing patients and collecting specimens will be made. In the clinical space, patients can come in for specimen collection. We have a designated area with a specimen window slot, which is accessible from the restroom, making it efficient for sample drop-offs. Additionally, we have patient rooms equipped for blood draws and nasopharyngeal swabs. These rooms are multi-purpose and can also serve as interview space for our laboratory support and surveillance staff when conducting in-person patient interviews. In the anteroom, our laboratory staff will properly don and doff personal protective equipment before entering the BSL-3 area. The Public Health Lab has a state-of-the-art BSL-3 certified testing facility. A BSL-3 lab is a laboratory capable of safely containing airborne pathogens that can cause severe human disease, while lab personnel perform tests to confirm diagnosis of pathogens. The BSL-3 is equipped with the Cepheid Gene Expert, which is used for the detection of Mycobacterium tuberculosis complex DNA. This test is intended for use with specimens with patients with suspected tuberculosis. If samples are positive for TB, the Gene Expert also detects the antibiotic resistance associated TB gene mutations. The BSL-3 is also equipped with the BacTech Midget 320 system, which is designed for rapid detection of Mycobacterium, of which is used to determine if the sample is instrument positive. The Public Health Lab also offers AFB smears for a faster local turnaround time. A BSL-2 lab has the capability of safely containing pathogens that could cause mild to moderate human disease. The majority of the tests offered by our public health facility would run at a biosafety level 2. The Clinitech Advantis will allow the public health lab to perform cost-effective urine chemistry. We will also have the capabilities to examine positive urine under a microscope for the manual portion of the exam. With the Sysmex XN 530 instrument, the Public Health Lab will be able to perform complete blood count testing and differentials submitted by the Hidalgo County clinics. Complete blood count with differentials is one of the most common laboratory tests performed today. The Architect 4100 is a reliable and user-friendly instrument. The testing that can be performed ranges from simple tests like glucose and iron to more moderate complexity testing such as hepatitis C and HIV antibody testing. The Gemini runs automated enzyme-linked immunoabsorbent assays. The instrument has the capabilities of performing antibody tests for measles, rubella, mumps, and chickenpox shingles. This entire section of instruments are dedicated to rapid diagnostic assays. The ID Now instruments are for speed molecular COVID-19 testing. The Sophia instruments are dedicated to influenza A, influenza B, and strep screenings. The Torches instrument provides rapid and accurate PCR testing for a wide variety of respiratory and gastrointestinal pathogens. Our microbiology section is equipped with the MicroScan Walkaway Plus instrument, which will assist in confirming the identification of the causative bacterial pathogens and perform the antibiotic sensitivities that are needed to cure the infections. The QuantStudio DX is a PCR thermal cycler and is part of our molecular unidirectional workflow, providing high-complexity diagnostic testing for organisms of high public health concern, such as influenza, Zika, and any new and emerging pathogens with an outbreak potential. In this area, we can conduct a portion of our mosquito surveillance activities, where we use stereo microscopes to identify mosquitoes collected from specialized traps. Our office space will allow for laboratory support staff to conduct infectious disease surveillance and response efforts, such as data analysis, patient investigation, and work closely with the lab when patients need to get tested. This meeting room serves as a hub for brainstorming sessions, data presentation, and collaborative discussions aimed at effectively addressing public health challenges. Our collaborative environment ensures seamless communication and coordination, enabling us to keep our community safe. The building is fully equipped to handle specimen drop-off via carrier system coming from the Hidalgo County clinics. Our public health facility is also equipped with a designated shaded curbside area for drive-up testing. Thank you for joining our virtual tour of the brand new Hidalgo County Public Health Facility.